beautiful day for setting this up.
Hey guys, we got a very special day today to share with you guys. It is a beautiful day out here at the land. First time I'm seeing leaves basically coming out. The grass is looking really green. We have Sarah's sister. In case you didn't know, Sarah has a twin sister. And we also have Sarah's dad who's visiting. This is going to be a surprise. I didn't tell Sarah yet. But basically, it's a wood-fired hot tub. It's going to be arriving today. It's my gift to her and kind of like to myself and the land too for our second year anniversary together.
It may not be my birthday, but I just want to celebrate. I just want to celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just want to celebrate.
We took a quick break after the truck dropped off the pallet, and here it is, the GoodLand hot tub. It's a little messy right now because we're planning to move this here all the way out to the view there. And because we don't really have a driveway, it was difficult for the truck driver to bring it over there. So we had to unload it here kind of in the middle of the road. And so we're going to try to carry this over there. Maybe we can use the rig to help us out. But to give you a little idea, this came fully loaded with all the accessories that you order and the ones that come with it naturally. For example, that's the floor, cedar kind of floor that goes inside the tub. And then over here, we have the other pieces, including the really cool paddle that stir up the water there. And there's a chimney pipe somewhere over here. So we're going to move all that down that way and try to assemble it over there. And maybe by today we can fill it with water and start using it. Thanks, Gary. Easy. Okay, we're almost there. We got the crusher run down. Thanks to Gary and the team, we have leveled out the tub. Babe, how you feeling?
Good. Hot, tired, but good.
Emma, this is Emma. You can say hi. This is your world debut.
Hello. I'm up to camp.
She's still. Dirty. How's the hot tub? You like it? It's pretty nice, right? And we are done. This is such a simple process, so I kind of want to go over a little bit of our experience with the delivery and the assembly of this. So delivery, from the day I ordered it to now receiving it in upstate New York, it took about 3 to 4 weeks. The trucking company that delivered it, they'll call you and let you know ahead of time when it's arrived, and then they'll actually schedule the specific time and day you want them to.
It arrived on an 18-wheeler, so that was a little difficult to navigate our driveway, but the truck driver did an excellent job and got it as far as he could, so just make sure you have space for that.
And then in terms of assembly was super duper easy. I think one person can basically do it in about like 15 minutes or so.
Make sure we have a really solid level surface. So we brought over some crusher run. We used a 4-foot level. We leveled this way, we leveled that way, we snugged it around a little bit, we re-leveled it because the water line will not lie if it's level or not. So we had to make it as level as possible.
There's a furnace kind of tank underneath this that you just put in and you screw it in with your hand. There's no tools needed, so it's super easy to do. The stovepipe, you just slide that in. This is just a cap And then the last part is you put these like cedar slats for the walls, for the backrest and the bottom part of this tub. And then you fill up the water and that's it. How do you feel about the whole thing?
I think it's perfect. I think it's super easy. It's so beautiful. It's super clean, easy, modern, and what a place to put it.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
2-year anniversary gift?
Super excited for it.
For our second part, we're going to use it a few times. That way we can have more of an experience to kind of share with you how to use it, what our experience is so far, maybe some tips in terms of getting it just right for yourself and stuff. But that's going to come up to the next episode, so join us next time for that. In the meantime, just enjoy this awesome view. See you guys later.
Oh God, Gertie, come on.
Bye, Gertie. I'll see you later.
Gertie.
Good girl.